Let's look at the Lewis structure of ethane, C2H6. The total valence electrons are 14. These electrons come from 4 valence electrons for each carbon atom and 1 valence electron for each hydrogen atom. You'll notice that ethane does not have one central atom like we've seen in earlier videos. In ethane, we start to see a short chain of carbon atoms. We can use some rules from organic chemistry to begin. First, hydrogen atoms can only form one covalent bond. Therefore, hydrogen atoms can never be a central atom or part of a chain. Rather, hydrogen atoms can only be on the outside of a chain. This means that the carbon atoms must be in the center, or the 2 carbon atoms make up the chain. We'll draw the 2 carbon atoms and draw the connection between the 2 carbon atoms. The connection here is a covalent bond, or a shared pair of electrons. Of the 14 valence electrons, we have used 2 for the covalent bond. There are 12 electrons remaining. Next, we'll add the hydrogen atoms to the outside of the chain. Here's a rule from day 1 organic chemistry. Neutral carbon atoms form 4 covalent bonds. The carbon atoms in ethane are neutral since there's no formal charge in the molecular formula. You can see here that each carbon atom will have 3 hydrogen atoms bonded to it. Now, each carbon has 4 covalent bonds. This satisfies the octet rule for each carbon atom, and each hydrogen forms only 1 covalent bond. This satisfies the duet rule for each hydrogen atom. Checking our valence electrons, we count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. Thus, 0 valence electrons remain, and all valence electrons are accounted for in the Lewis structure for ethane.